Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're trying on the ALO Yoga Limestone collection, specifically the Gather long sleeve shirt, the mixed media Reinvention jogger, and that's right, we're giving the Airbrush high waist heartthrob leggings another try. Now, if you've been subscribed for a while, we did try on these heartthrob leggings in the white and black colorway, and we were not the biggest fan, mainly for the material and for the lack of smoothing effect. I actually think it was very unflattering, so we will try them on again. But what I am most excited to try on are these new track pants. They are mixed media, which means they have a lot of different materials all throughout. Like you'll see that they have the perforated, kind of airy ankles. There is a snap to keep them together or cinched, or you can let it go and it's kind of like a straight leg or a flare leg. So overall, really cool materials that we're going to take a look at. This Gather long sleeve I do have in the light purple, which we also tried on this channel. And I am a major fan. I really like the material. It's lightweight, but it's kind of substantial at the same time. The lilac, of course, was a crop top, and this is a longer torso and, of course, long sleeve. So I do think this will be a perfect work from home, lounge from home attire. Now, the leggings, again, I must say I'm not the biggest fan. You can let me know in the comments below if you like them. I do love the colorway. I just don't love the fit or the material. Now onto the Epic mixed media joggers. Now I loved these pants. I kind of struggled to imagine where I would wear these, but texted a few photos to a few friends and they assured me that I would wear them. Let me know where you would wear these. But I just think they are so fun. They're lightweight, they fit really nicely. They felt kind of so fashion forward, but at the same time, just very understated. So I love them. I love all the details with them. It feels like they didn't cut any corners with the design. There are a lot of intricacies like the aloe on the zipper pulls and the aloe embossed on the waistband, as well as the snap around the ankle. Overall, this and the long sleeve were definitely my favorite pickups. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.